Orthopedic loan kit management isn't just about moving boxes between manufacturers, logistics centers, and hospitals. It's about ensuring every screw, plate, and implant arrives with surgical precision, and that every item is accounted for when returned, with accurate records for billing. Yet today, many still rely on barcodes, scanning each piece in the correct orientation, one by one. It's slow, labor-intensive, and prone to human error. Delays and mistakes can even compromise patient safety. That's why Sato introduces PJM RFID, a smart, scalable solution for fast, accurate, and fully traceable orthopedic kit management. It begins with our PJM RFID tags, equipped with large memory IC chips and resistant to gamma sterilization, so full product data can be printed and encoded right at the source using our printers or desktop readers. Our PJM tunnel readers scan up to 600 tags per second, regardless of orientation, even when stacked tightly together. Shipments are verified in seconds with 100% data accuracy. The web-based software streamlines the entire workflow, from dispatch to return, with unmatched speed and precision. Turnaround times improve by up to 75%. This ensures supplier tagging, full supply chain traceability, and eliminates reprints, saving time, cost, and labor. With Sato's PJM RFID, your teams work faster and smarter, delivering the right kits to the right operating rooms at the right time.